Quick video on a clutch oil jet. It's worth to service it, because if you don't, it will prematurely destroy your clutch, possibly. So in order to do it, it's hidden under that bolt over there. I think it's different on different KTM, but on mine, annoyingly, there's this bit of plastic that is preventing from just undoing it, so I need to take the slave out to release all that. I think I'm gonna amend it and just cut it so it's easier for the future. So let me do that quickly and I'll show you what's next. Okay, so that is off. Just remember, clean it nicely around it when you're taking that out, so no stuff will go in the hole. There's a copper washer there, so be careful not to lose it. Ideally replace it. And then when you look inside, I don't know if I'll be able to show it, but if you have oil sitting there, that's most likely indication of that jet being clogged. Mine looks dry, well, oil not sitting there, but yeah, you can see that it's just oil on it but not sitting, so I think it's too clean because I cleaned it recently. But other things you need to remember when you need to take that off, like I did, and there's that pin inside of there on the clutch rod, so don't lose it because it can come out easily. And also there's a ball bearing inside of Oberon, so also be careful not to lose that. And now KTM sells a special tool for undoing that jet, but I just had that screwdriver that had in the KTM toolkit under the seat, so I'm going to use that. So yeah, let me undo it and I'll show you the fun part after. So I hear it clicking already inside when I turn it, so it's loose. And now taking that out from that hole, because it's quite deep, is difficult. So the only professional working way is this Q-tip and a bit of chewing gum. That is the only way to take it out. I think in the manual KTM says tweezers, but I tried it and it was a hell to do it. So yeah, Q-tip and a chewing gum. Otherwise it's a nightmare to take it out. Well, it still is, but at least it works. Okay, now once you have it out, you just need to clean and make sure, well, check first. No, it won't be impossible to see because it's very tiny inside. But I see mine is still clean-ish. I can see through it. But still, when I have it out, I'm gonna give it a good clean. And you can, of course, clean all the other stuff. And like I said, I'm gonna cut that also next time. I don't have to take all of this apart. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then you just put it back in the reverse order, and that's done. Okay, done. Nice and tidy, cleaned everything, and I cut this bit. Here I said I'm gonna do it, so now I can access it. Usually I clean it when I change oil, so yeah, that will be just much easier. I can just undo that bolt now and just take it out. One thing I forgot to mention, which is kind of logical, but just in case, when you putting that jet in, make sure that your hands are clean, that you clean your screwdriver, because the hole in it is so tiny that the smallest thing can just get stuck in it and block it. So yeah, make sure everything is very tidy. Also the bolt itself, before you put it in, just make it, you know, nice and clean. And yeah, then put it back in, make sure your clutch works, and yeah, that's it. Job done.